Big breaking news coming in after 1 hour meeting with Amit Shah yesterday. Captain Amrinder meets NSA Doval. Captain Amrinder likely to now meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. Big questions arising on what is really brewing as far as Captain Amrinder is concerned and what is the hand that he's likely to play and what he's been discussing with them in the meeting. It's also expected that he perhaps might be meeting JP Nadda too. We've got our camera crew right there outside JP Nadda's house as well. But yesterday, if you remember, there was a 1 hour meeting that transpired between Captain Amrinder Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah. And now Captain has met NSA Doval. Captain Amrinder likely to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. From the reports that are coming in, we do know that our reporters have been bringing us all the information about how perhaps this could be related to the border security of Punjab, given its given that it shares a long border with Pakistan, and perhaps on the farm laws as well. But given the political turmoil in Punjab, questions are rising on, and this is setting all the eyebrows raising in terms of why is it he's meeting the NSA, the Prime Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah. Mohit Sharma is now joining us for the very latest. Mohit, walk our viewers through the agenda of the meeting of Captain Amrinder Singh. Eyebrows are raising, speculations are rife, but what are we picking up? He met Amit Shah yesterday, now he's met NSA Doval, and he's likely to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well.
Well, absolutely. Since yesterday there had been speculations that something is going on between Captain Amrinder Singh and the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. However, after coming out of that meeting with the Home Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh through his Twitter account had very categorically put into perspective that he had met with regards to the farm laws and how these 3 farm laws should be repealed at with immediate effect. And secondly, how a guarantee of the MSP should also be extended to the farmers. And it was thought, there were certain speculations as to, that could have been just about it as to what really was discussed in that all crucial meeting. But now, since today morning, there have been a new series of speculations that have risen. Going to the tune of saying, that he could very well be meeting the BJP president. He could also be meeting the Prime Minister as well, and other senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But now, since he's already met the NSA, it clearly mentions that something is going on between Captain Amrinder Singh and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Whether it's in the line of him joining the party or not, that is something that would be a bit too early to say. Yes. But clearly, these kind of meetings that are happening, yes, rather a speculation at this front, but nevertheless, it has sent down crucial chills down the spine of the Congress party.
Absolutely,
Congress party
because if you remember, he also ended up meeting the G23 leaders. And now there is news trickling in that likely he's going to be meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then party president JP Nadda. He met the Home Minister, NSA Doval. While it is rather very speculative and we shall not jump to any conclusions, eyebrows are definitely going to be raised in terms of what's brewing, and the Congress party is definitely, the high command will be feeling insecure looking at all these visuals that are coming in. Mohit?
Well, absolutely, Cheti. I beg your pardon. See, the problem party is that they do not know as to what exactly is happening. They are not aware of the Captain Amrinder Singh's agenda right now.
I apologize for the interruption, Mohit, right there, but